How to use AI to remove background noise from video. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use AI to remove background noises from video. So let's get started. There are a lot of different AI tools available on the web nowadays. The one that's most popular these days is called Veed.io. So simply search for Veed.io on your web browser. You can check their other tools out as well. I'll just search for Veed IO background noise remover. And after searching for that, you can then directly click on remove background noise from video online. Then if you scroll down from here, you will see remove background noise. This uses AI noise reduction. So tap on that and it should take you to another page like this. After you're on this page, just let it load and there you'll get a place to upload your video. So here what we'll do is we'll just import a video. So let's just drag and drop a video. Let me just put this aside a little bit. Okay, now drag it and drop it. And after doing that, the upload should take a bit of time. So the longer or larger your video, the more time it's going to take to upload. So while that happens, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now it's almost done. There we go. Now what we'll need to do is after the video has been uploaded, you can make some edits on it if you want. Just select the clip and there you will see an option called Magic Tools. Tap on it and there you will see Clean Audio option on the top. There are other different options as well which you can use, but there is the Clean Audio option on the top right here. So there we go, under the audio section. So this removes background noises. You can simply tap on it to enable it. And yeah, the longer your video, the more time it's going to take to clean your audio. So just you can wait while this is done. As I said, this uses AI to remove your background noises. And after it's done, you can test it out. You can play the video, make some other edits if you want to. There you can see it's been enabled and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.